Morning guys, and in front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So if you wish to activate Backup by Google, just enroll the settings, then find and select System, and here you will notice Backup. Just click to open and mark both backups here. Okay, so you don't have enough storage obviously, but okay, I'll do it later on. However, just mark this icon, then the second one if also you wish to backup other device data, and that's it. Once it is both marked, obviously if there's also enough space, your backup would be active. So that's it, that will be all. This is how you can activate Google Backup on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.